Welcome back to my channel, Vehicle Buzz. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most exciting electric SUVs of 2025, the BYD Sealion 7. This all-new model from BYD aims to shake up the electric SUV market with its futuristic design, premium interior, outstanding performance, and competitive pricing. If you're considering an electric SUV that balances style, technology, and efficiency, stay tuned as we take a closer look at what makes the Sealion 7 a serious contender in the EV space. Starting with the exterior, the BYD Sealion 7 boasts a bold and futuristic design that turns heads. The front fascia features a sleek and aerodynamic design with a closed-off grille that enhances its EV identity. The ultra-slime LED headlights stretch across the front, giving it a sharp and aggressive look. The sculpted hood and smooth lines add to the aerodynamics, improving efficiency and reducing wind resistance. The side profile is characterized by a coupe-like sloping roofline, giving it a sporty stance. The flush door handles and aerodynamic side mirrors further contribute to the modern aesthetic. At the rear, a full-width LED taillight bar complements the futuristic appeal, and a subtle roof spoiler adds a dynamic touch. The Sealion 7 sits on stylish 21-inch alloy wheels, enhancing its road presence while ensuring stability at high speeds. The combination of sleek styling and practical aerodynamics makes the Sealion 7 one of the most visually appealing electric SUVs in its class. Moving inside, the interior of the BYD Sealion 7 is a blend of luxury, technology, and sustainability. The cabin is spacious, offering ample room for both passengers and cargo. The minimalist dashboard design features a large rotating touchscreen infotainment system, a signature element in BYD vehicles. This display supports the latest infotainment software, including wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, voice control, and a high-end sound system. The digital instrument cluster provides all the necessary driving information, ensuring a futuristic cockpit experience. Soft touch materials, premium leather upholstery, and ambient lighting create a sophisticated and comfortable atmosphere. The panoramic sunroof enhances the sense of space, allowing natural light to flood the cabin. The front seats are heated and ventilated, offering exceptional comfort for long journeys, while the rear seats provide ample legroom and recline options. The Sealion 7 also features a spacious cargo area with a powered tailgate for added convenience. Overall, the interior quality and technology in the Sealion 7 put it on par with premium electric SUVs in the market. Now, let's talk about performance. The BYD Sealion 7 comes in multiple powertrain options catering to different driving needs. The base model features a single motor setup, delivering around 310 horsepower and a 0 to 60 mph time of approximately 6.5 seconds. For those looking for more power, the dual-motor all-wheel drive variant produces an impressive 530 horsepower, reducing the 0 to 60 mph sprint to just under 4.5 seconds. The Sealion 7 is built on BYD's advanced E-Platform 3, ensuring a well-balanced and dynamic driving experience. The intelligent torque vectoring system enhances stability and handling, making it agile despite its SUV proportions. The battery technology in the Sealion 7 is another highlight. Equipped with BYD's latest Blade battery, the Sealion 7 offers an estimated range of up to 370 miles on a single charge, making it one of the longest-range electric SUVs in its segment. Fast charging capabilities allow the battery to be recharged from 10% to 80% in just 30 minutes, making long road trips stress-free. Regenerative braking helps maximize efficiency, ensuring a smooth and responsive driving experience. The combination of power, range, and fast charging capability makes the Sealion 7 a strong competitor against other electric SUVs like the Tesla Model Y and Hyundai Ioniq 5. Now let's discuss the pricing. The BYD Sealion 7 offers an impressive set of features at a competitive price. The base model starts at around $45,000, making it an attractive option for those looking for an affordable yet premium electric SUV. The mid-range variant, which includes additional features like an upgraded sound system, enhanced autonomous driving capabilities, and a larger battery, is priced at approximately $52,000. The top-of-the-line dual-motor, all-wheel drive performance variant with its powerful acceleration and extended range comes in at around $60,000. Compared to its competitors, the Sealion 7 provides excellent value for money, especially considering its premium design, high-tech features, and long driving range. With potential government incentives and tax credits for EV buyers, the effective cost of ownership could be even lower, making the Sealion 7 an appealing choice for many drivers.